Safa saphela isizwe simnyama iwasafa
isizwe saba
kavula moya ayinkokhelize wemaye wemolo Safa saphela isizwe simnyama iwasafa
isizwe saba
kavula moya ayinkokhelize
freedom of speech, but they brutalize me just because I'm saying whatever that I feel I have to say because of my sexuality. I'm we need to be treated as human beings. And one other thing is like we never choose to be members of the LGBT community, but nature does for us. If ever one is given an opportunity to choose their sexuality, they will never choose to be members of the LGBT community, because like there's no one in their normal state of mind who can choose to be victimized, who can choose to be victimized.
The message that I can give to the public out there is LGBTI rights are your right. And LGBTI kid is your kid. We are your sisters, we are your brothers. We just like